Now we see the second problem by using convolution theorem. L inverse 1 by s into s square minus a square. Here also write this one 1 by s square minus a square. So let the first function f of s is 1 by s and second function g of s is 1 by s square minus a square. Let L inverse on both sides. F of s, L inverse f of s is L inverse 1 by s. What is L inverse 1 by s? That is equal to 1. L inverse f of s symbol is f of t. So f of t is 1 here. See the second function g of s, that is equal to 1 by s square minus a square. L inverse g of s is equal to L inverse 1 by s square minus a square. Minus undamma ikkada paina 1 undi kabatti sign vastundi minus symbol h. So its inverse Laplace is 1 by a sin h a t. L inverse g of s means it is g of t. It is g of t. Now we get f of t and g of t. By convolution theorem, we have L inverse f of s into g of s is equal to integral 0 to t f of t minus u g of u du. నేను ఇక్కడ f ఫంక్షన్ కి t minus u తీసుకుంటున్నాను ఎందుకంటే f of t చిన్న ఫంక్షన్ కదా, ఏది చిన్నదో దాన్ని t minus u గా తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, now it is f of t minus u. in f of t there is no t, 1 ఉంది. t ఉంటే t minus u రాస్తాం, t minus u అయినా సరే 1. కాబట్టి now we get L inverse f of s into g of s means 1 by s into 1 by s square minus a square is equal to integral 0 to t, this one f of t 1, f of t minus u is also 1 into g of u. What is g of u? g of t is this. g of u means 1 by a sin h a u du. Okay, 1 into means same value. Now e 1 by a constant bring outside, then we get integral sin h a u du means cos h a u by a. Apply the limits 0 to t. So first apply upper limit t. In place of u, first you apply u. What you get? 1 by a into by a undi, so 1 by a square. Apply limits cos h a t. Upper limit is t. In place of u, u ki limits amma du kabatti u limits 0 to t. So in place of u, first you put t. We get cos h a t minus next 0. Cos h into 0, cos 0 means 1. So L inverse 1 by s into s square minus a square is equal to 1 by a square cos h a t minus 1. Now we see the application of Laplace transform to ordinary differential equations. Suppose we have given ordinary differential equations now. To apply Laplace transform, we are going to see how to solve this Laplace application. By apply the Laplace transform, how to solve the ODEs. So some differential equations are so many difficult problems. By using this Laplace transform method, we get very easily their solutions. Okay, this method is Laplace transform method is easier and time saving, excellent tool for solving ODEs. Okay, ODEs solve cheyadaniki chala easy method anamata idi. Working rule for finding solution of DE by Laplace transform. The first step is write down the given equation and apply Laplace transform on both sides. Suppose we have given one DE to solve. First step, let that equation as it is and let apply Laplace transform on both sides. Then use the given conditions. Second point is use the given conditions. Next, third one, rearrange the equation to given transformation of solution. Fourth one, take inverse Laplace transform on both sides. We obtain the derived solution. We obtain the required solution under the given conditions. Okay, mainly we use first step, apply the Laplace transform on both sides to given equation. Then use conditions. Then rearrange. Then apply inverse Laplace. It means to solve the ODEs, we use both Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform. So ఆ రెండిటికి ఫార్ములాస్ వస్తేనే మనం సొల్యూషన్ చేయగలం. Okay, see which formula we are going to use here. L of f dash t is equal to derivative of Laplace transform. It's all important my formulas. L of f dash t is equal to S f of s minus f of 0. S f of s minus f of 0. L f double dash t is equal to s square f of s minus s f of 0 minus f dash 0. Similarly, triple dash ఒకవేళ ఇస్తే that is equal to s cube f of s minus s square f of 0 minus s f of 0 minus f double dash 0. Already we saw these formulae in derivative of Laplace transform topic. In Laplace transform, derivative of Laplace transform topic, already we saw this formula. Generally we use first one L of f dash t and L of f double dash t. Rarely we use L of triple dash t. You remember, suppose the problem is in terms of y and t, in place of f you put y. Let f of t is equal to y of t and f of s is equal to y of s. Okay ma? Now we see the problems ma by using this one. First one, solve for y double dash plus y square y is equal to 0. This is given DE. Solve this one. The conditions are y of 0 is equal to 2 and y dash 0 is equal to 0. Now you let y means y of t and f of t place lo y of t undi. Y of t ni simple ga manam y ga తీసుకుంటాం. What is given DE? Next step given DE, this one as it is ga రాసాము. Let Laplace transform on both sides. First step, let Laplace transform of given DE. We get L of 4 into L of y double dash t plus pi square constant kabatti L of y of t is equal to L of 0. What is L y double dash t? L of f double dash place lo y double dash ఉంది. 4 constant. L of y double dash t is s square L of y minus s y of 0 minus y dash 0. This is L of y double dash plus pi square. This is L of y as it is. L of 0 is equal to 0. You observe ma, L of y terms, L of y term, L of y term. Now L of y into ఏమేం terms ఉన్నాయి? L of y 4s square ఉంది and ఇక్కడ pi square ఉంది. కాబట్టి L of y కామన్ తీస్తే 4s square plus pi square అయింది. అంటే ఈ టర్మ్ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ మనం నోట్ చేసేసినట్టే. మైనస్ s into y of 0. What is y of 0? 2. కాబట్టి s into 2. s into 2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 4 ఉందమ్మా. s into 2 ఇక్కడ 4 ఉంది. కాబట్టి 4s ఆల్రెడీ 4 ఉందమ్మా. ఇక్కడ 4 into s y of 0 is 2 మైనస్ y dash 0. y dash 0 means 0 కాబట్టి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం is equal to 0. ఓకే, L of y term కామన్ తీసాం. ఇక్కడ 4 into s y of 0 is 2 కాబట్టి minus 4 is 2, y dash 0 is 0, L of 0 is 0. Okay, now it can be written as only rewrite the third step. First step, let Laplace transform, then apply these formulae and these given conditions, then rearrange. Rearrange means this. Next step is rearrange. L of y into this one is equal to 8s. Into ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ సైడ్ వస్తే బై వచ్చేసింది. L of y is equal to this one. ఇప్పుడు let L inverse on both sides, లేదా ఈ L ఈ సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్ళాం అనుకోండి. y is equal to L inverse of this value. y of t is L inverse of this value. దీనిలో 8 కాన్స్టెంట్ కాబట్టి బయట పెట్టేసి L inverse of s by 4 కామన్ తీసాము. s స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ పై స్క్వేర్ బై 4 కామన్ తీసామమ్మా కింద. దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 8. ఈ 1/4 బయట తీసేయండి, 8/4 అయింది. L inverse s by s స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 8/4 L inverse s by s square plus pi square by 2. Okay, now it can be written as 2. 8/4 means 2. S by s square plus a square is s by s square by, this is pi by 2 ma, pi by 2 whole square, not pi square by 2. It is pi by 2 whole square. Now this one is s square, s by s square plus pi square by 4 ni pi by 2 whole square ga rasam. Ela undi idi L inverse s by s square plus a square ante cos 8 avutundi annamata. So 8/4 2 means 2 into cos pi by 2 into t. Now y of t is equal to 2 cos pi by 2t is the solution of given DE. So see the steps. Let this one apply Laplace transform, then apply formula, then rearrange, then let L inverse. We get the solution.